Come follow my journey as I get my certificate to become an HVAC technician through the Goodwill program in Atlanta, Georgia. Today is day 10 of the program. Class started at 8:30 a.m. sharp, and today we start off with a quiz on the heat pump cycle. And let's say your boy passed with a 90%. Then after the quiz, we hit the lab and worked on mounting again. There you go, disconnector box. And then we also worked on mounting the heat pump floor unit. There you go, right there. And then here goes me looking at a heat pump wall unit. Then after that, class is over. Day 10 was short and sweet. I'm looking forward to day 11, and I hope you guys enjoying this journey with me.